is NN Group of Company. This is a HQ, and here we are with my senior technical guys. Today we have a fantastic product as a front runner accessories. This is a table drop down table from front runner. Today we have faced some huge challenge searching on internet to search whether we can get someone have an idea of installing the front runner drop down table, but in vain. So I think today we're going to be the first guys from Arua to the world to demonstrate how to install the drop down table of front runner on top of the back tailgate on the 76 series Land Cruiser. Welcome to the show. Here we go. Let's continue. Okay, this is Mr. Ibra Amodo. So first step, first come. This is a brand new product, and those are the products, unbeaten products. Those are the world class. When you call it drop down, because if you are overlander enthusiast or just a tourist guy, this stuff here is fantastic for your work. It's like a bench here. It can be served as your cooking table as well, with many functionality. Here we go. Let us do it. Let us do it, guys. First step is we're gonna remove the cover. Done. All right. Here we go. Second is now Hotel Signal. Second option with the model. What are we gonna do?
We are going to mark the provisions.
Mark the provisions. Good to go. Yeah, provision on the board. As you can see, we have marked the marker pen here. So these are going to be our ideal position to mount our drop down table. And here we are. There's still many functionalities we're going to share with you appropriate time. So now, then next step, after that, we're going to drill. After drilling, we fix it. Remember, before this one did not cover, we're going to bring it back. So there's a kind of technicality and the practicality of stuff here. Stick with us. Let us show you the end result. How fantastic was made and how beautiful is the stuff. Here we go. This is NN Group of Company. Come and grab anything at NN with a special discount now. Today is Thursday, 4th of December. Here we go. This is the latest. Check you there. Guys, come and get me. You have to talk something. Say something now. This is my. They call it. Your former name was art. Scientistics. He's a man called Scientistics. Call a
Metallic one.
Don't forget, you have to make sure that the millimeters between the door and our draw must have some gap. Otherwise, everything it is being measured precisely to fit this stuff. Let's see what the end result. Damn, this is a game changer in a tourism and overlander lifestyle. One. Even if you want to work here, you can send it to you. Come and give us money. Thank you. we go. Tell me if those NN Group are not genius. This is the next level. Look at it. You may think they just brought the vehicle from factory with it. See the fitting. Just look at it. A neat, clean job. Really professional work at NN Group of Company. You dare that those guys are not genius? Tell me, how can you differentiate between from factory and the after or over the counter stuff? It's a front liner, well fitted and fitted perfectly, neat. Okay, so today we're going to upload this video on the internet. So I've struggled, I've told you earlier on, to get how to fix this stuff here. But finally we made it, and it's much better and much professional, much firm. It's really firm, as you can see, very firm. And even if you're close, to go. So this is the stuff. If you want it, please contact NN Group of Company. You go to Covered Buying, and when you say our technician, we have certified technician. Tell me if you're not genius, guys. So far, so good. Let us catch up tomorrow. Defensive driving part. Come and get accessory. Mount your vehicle with such beautiful stuff. We have plenty. I will see. Even the seat covers. I haven't shared with you, but there are plenty. There are really plenty to share tomorrow. Come on. Come on. Here we go. NN Group. Hi.